Hi everybody, I think I have discovered a new equation for the nuclear force. This nuclear force is the most strongest one in the four of the total fundamental forces. It is 100 times more powerful than the coulombs force. Now, I think the recent nuclear force equation is not apt, so I have discovered or reinvent or wrote down some of my own discussions about the nuclear force on looking on its properties from the result. I also need your opinion whether it is right or wrong if you are an expert in physics or in branch this branch of physics. Now, according to me, this force of nuclear force is directly inversely proportional to the root of product of masses between which the force acts on. In this case, m1 and m2 corresponds to the mass of proton and neutron respectively, or even mass of proton and mass of proton. Secondly, force nuclear force is indirectly proportional to 1 minus k by r and inversely proportional to 1 by r cube. So we can combinedly write as F1 proportional to 1 by r cube into 1 minus k by r. Here, r cube is the distance between the two above masses and k is a constant, fundamental constant, where k equal to 0.8 fm. Fm means femtometer, that is 10 raised to minus 15 meter. So k has a magnitude of 0.8 into 10 raised to minus 15 meters. Now, from these two above equations, we can directly write Fn is equal to h square, that is Planck's h square, by root of m1 m2 r cube into 1 minus 0.8 femtometer by r. Here we can see that even though this h square seems to be a large number, the total force acting between these two is in the order of magnitude of 10 raised to 4 to 10 raised to 5 to 10 raised to 6. So we can actually say that whether it can be right. Also, if the radius is 1 femtometer, that is 1 into 10 raised to 15 meters, minus 15 meters, then you can see that nuclear force is 5.24 into 10 raised to 4 newtons, whereas the coulomb's force between the two protons in a nucleus, Fc, is equal to 2.30 into 10 raised to 2 newton. Also, Fn by Fc is equal to 2 into 2.27 into 10 raised to 2, which currently accepts with the model of that one, which is in that of as shown is in the internet. Also, we can write the energy if Fn is equal to, sorry for the inconvenience, but I will wait for a minute. Okay, wait for it. Yeah, there is. Okay, now we can say that the energy involved in this reaction, there is energy involved in this nuclear reaction, energy energy of the nuclear force directly equal to h square by root of m1 m2 and r square, where r square is the distance between the particles. For calculating the value of energy for nuclear force, we can see that it is in the order of magnitude of 10 raised to minus 11, that is in the order of mega electron volts, which is correct for the electron energy released during nuclear fissions and nuclear fusions. So, according which is this my equation correct one or not, because I am a new student to this field and I want your opinion, because also I have discovered more equations such as time energy equivalence which cannot be proven, but I will show your equations and also put a comment on it, as I would like to improve my research or my language or English. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you.